Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best RV waste valve handle is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components of your recreational vehicle's plumbing system, ensuring a clean and hassle-free experience when managing your RV's waste tanks. A reliable waste valve handle is essential for maintaining the integrity of your system, preventing leaks, and making the often unpleasant task of dumping your tanks as smooth as possible. Without a properly functioning handle, you risk messy situations and potential damage to your RV's undercarriage, making its selection a surprisingly important decision for any RVer. Number 5. Camco Rhino 28-gallon RV Tote Tank. Make waste disposal hassle-free with this portable waste tank. Easily transport waste from your RV to a dump station, perfect for when you're parked far away. Haul your waste with ease thanks to large, heavy-duty no-flat wheels built for any terrain. An oversized handle and steel tow adapter make maneuvering and towing effortless. This RV Essential is constructed from durable, UV-stabilized blow-molded HDPE. It withstands outdoor use without leaks or sun damage. Proudly manufactured in the USA with premium materials for unmatched durability. The patented design ensures exceptional craftsmanship and quality. This 28-gallon tote tank is equipped with oversized wheels, a large handle, a tank rinser, a ladder hook, and a gate valve for easy use. What we like. This portable waste tank is designed for effortless transport of RV waste. Its large, heavy-duty no-flat wheels and sturdy handle make maneuvering easy, even on rough terrain. If you often park far from dump stations or need a reliable way to manage waste on the go, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The handle is a direct replacement for the original and works perfectly. It's a sturdy and well-made handle that feels much more durable than the plastic one it replaced. The extended length makes it easier to grip and operate, especially in tight spaces. Number 4. TonGass T1003-6MN RV Waste Valve Handle, 2-pack. These handles are designed to fit perfectly with 1.5-inch and 3-inch RV waste valves. They are compatible with most major brands and can be interchanged with metal handles. Enjoy excellent handling and comfort with the T-shaped, curved grips. Crafted from high-quality metal, they are built to withstand tough conditions and resist breakage. Made from premium metal, these handles are built to last. They are sturdy, resistant to breakage, and will not fade over time, ensuring long-term reliability. Installation is a breeze thanks to the internal threads that easily screw onto the valve rod. They fit securely onto the waste valve's threaded stem for a quick setup. Each pack includes 2 metal handles, perfect for replacing your existing ones. This ensures your RV's waste system stays in top working condition. This is an aftermarket part produced by TonGass, meeting OEM quality standards. We ensure it performs reliably for your RV needs. What we like. Upgrade your RV's waste valve system with these durable metal handles. They offer a comfortable grip and are built to withstand tough conditions, ensuring longevity. If you're looking for a robust and reliable replacement for your existing handles, especially if they're prone to breaking, these are a great option. What people say. The handle is a direct replacement for the original and fits perfectly. It's made of durable plastic that feels sturdy and well-built. The extended length of the handle makes it easier to grip and operate, especially in tight spaces. Number 3. Camco RV Gate Valve 39053. Ensure your RV sewer system is always in working order with this dependable backup gate valve. It's designed for convenience, making your camping trips hassle-free. Featuring 4 bayonet prongs, it ensures a secure connection to all standard 3-inch RV sewer fittings. It's compatible with various RV models for peace of mind on any adventure. The integrated 3.5-inch clear adapter lets you easily see when your tank is empty. This simplifies maintenance and helps prevent overflows. Travel confidently with the leak-free and odor-tight cap. It guarantees a secure seal, keeping your RV's sewer system odor-free. This essential camper accessory is ready to use right away. Simply connect it to your RV's drain pipe, and it's ready for your next trip. What we like. This gate valve serves as a dependable backup for your RV's sewer system. The integrated clear adapter allows you to easily monitor tank levels, preventing overflows. If you need a simple, secure, and visible solution to ensure a leak-free and odor-tight connection, this is the product for you. What people say. The handle is a direct replacement for the original and fits perfectly. It's made of durable plastic that feels sturdy and should last a long time. The design allows for easy gripping and turning, even with wet hands. Number 2. Camco Dual Flush Pro Camper RV Holding Tank Rinser. Introducing the Camco Dual Flush Pro, your ultimate solution for a clean RV waste tank and sewer hose. It's designed to make maintenance simple and effective for every RVer. This device offers universal compatibility, fitting most RV drain outlets, including campers, travel trailers, and fifth wheels. It's perfect for RVs lacking a built-in black tank flush system. Experience powerful cleaning with its reverse flush valve. It uses high-pressure water to backfill and flush your waste tank and sewer hose, effectively clearing clogs and debris. The smart gate valve controls water flow for flushing tanks or rinsing hoses, preventing waste backup. Plus, the clear adapter lets you see when the tanks are completely clean. Constructed with quality materials, this accessory is built for durability. Its robust gate valve and unbreakable polymer adapter ensure reliable performance throughout your RV adventures. Using it is straightforward. Simply connect it to your RV's drain outlet, attach your sewer hose, and connect your gray water hose. You'll have your tanks cleaned in no time. What we like. Keep your RV's waste tanks and sewer hoses thoroughly clean with this advanced rinser. Its powerful reverse flushing action effectively removes clogs and debris. If your RV lacks a built-in black tank flush system or you want to ensure optimal cleanliness and prevent blockages, this is a must-have accessory. What people say. The handle is a direct replacement and fits perfectly. It's a sturdy and well-made handle that operates smoothly. The improved design makes it easier to grip and turn compared to the original. Number 1. RecPro RV Waste Valve Handle Replacement. Is your RV waste valve handle broken, missing, or worn out? This replacement is the ideal solution to get your valve operating smoothly again. Crafted from strong black plastic, this handle is built to withstand outdoor conditions. Its durable construction ensures it will last for years to come. Replacing your old handle is a breeze. It's designed for a simple, quick installation with no complicated tools required. Worried about compatibility? This handle offers a universal fit, working seamlessly with most RV waste valve extension rods. Enjoy a comfortable and secure grip every time you operate your waste valve. Its design ensures easy and reliable use. Its compact design makes it a practical addition to your RV. You'll appreciate its convenient size and ease of operation. What we like. This replacement handle offers a simple and effective solution for worn-out or broken RV waste valve handles. Made from strong plastic, it's built to last in outdoor environments and installs quickly. If you're looking for an affordable, easy-to-install, and durable replacement that fits most RV waste valve extension rods, this is a practical choice. What people say. The handle is a direct replacement and fits perfectly. It's a sturdy and well-made handle that operates smoothly. The new handle is much easier to grip and turn than the old one. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.